Hi there, students. Neoteric, okay, an adjective. Neoterically, the adverb. Okay, neoteric means new fashion, the new trend, the latest, avant-garde. So there are always neoteric ways of doing things with computers. Okay, neoteric, new, modern. The company is investing in the development of a neoteric production process. This government has neoteric ideas. Okay, it just means new, yeah, different, recent origin, modern. Yeah. So this poet is a neoteric. This is as a noun. A neoteric, a new writer, a new philosopher. But notice the in Roman times, there were a group of poets called the Neoterics, and they were trying to write poetry that was different from this classic epic by Homer, where there are there are heroic feats by people. Was a new style of poetry with stories or things like that, and this I think you could probably equate to the modernist poetic movement, for example. So the Neoterics, they were a new type of poet in Roman times. So neoteric, newfangled, recent, modern, something that is modern. So I find it difficult to keep up with the neoteric ways of society. Now, this word neoteric is not a neoteric word. This word has been around for about 500 years, if not more. So it's not a newfangled modern word. It's something that's been around for quite a long time. For those of you who are neoterically inclined, digital technologies are perfect for you. The neoteric wizardry invented by Silicon Valley is changing our lives from day to day. Okay, the neoteric digital movement or neoteric cryptocurrencies, they are new, they are different. Or maybe fusion cookery, where you have Indian European fusion. This is neoteric. Yeah, it's a new idea. It's a new way of looking at things. Recent in origin, modern. Okay, so it's a modern way of doing things. It's neoteric. It's a new fashion, a new trend, something that is being done neoterically in a new way. It's fresh, yeah, it's young, it's recent, it's new, it's something that has changed. It's a neoteric as a person, somebody who accepts new ideas and practices. So where it comes to technology, I'm definitely a bit of a neoteric. Okay, so let's see, formality. This word is one of these words that people don't use. It's becoming less and less fashionable. I strongly suggest you use this, so I'm going to give it a formality. 6.5 in formality. Use semi-formally, semi-formal conversation, just about better for a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. Use it in your writings just to mean new, neoteric instead of new. You'll look great if you use it, yeah? And Okay, as to origin, okay, it comes from Greek neoterikos, yeah, from neos, new, yeah, okay, and so neos, new, is a new thing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Neoteric. You can actually also say neoterical.